Hello, my name is Jack Pike, and I am an associate broker with Coldwell Banker Town & Country. I have been in the business for 24 years, and I work alongside my wife Patty, who's been in the business since 1997. It is our philosophy to always take care of our clients the way we would like to be cared for. Today, my business has grown to the point that the majority of my business comes from past client referrals of their families and friends. Over the years, I've developed some great friendships with my past clients to the point to where they have asked me to baptize their children, and one of them was even best man at my wedding. My clients are important to me, and I will take care of you from the beginning to the end. The knowledge, expertise, and integrity I bring into the service of helping you accomplish your goal is unsurpassed, and you will find I always take care of my clients. In today's real estate market, there are many new changes, and you need to be able to navigate this vast real estate market and produce the final results of getting your home sold or purchased. My service area includes the entire San Gabriel Valley, Inland Valleys, and Orange County. Call me today for your confidential, no-pressure interview and see what I can do for you. And remember, never settle for anyone with less experience because you deserve the best. After all, isn't that what you're paying for? Thank you, and call me today.